In the silence of the ocean's deepest trenches, sunlight is a distant memory. The water here is cold, black, and crushing, a place untouched by time. As the submersible descends, the only light comes from flickering instruments and the occasional eerie glow of something unknown in the distance. Strange shapes drift through the void, their movements slow and deliberate, like shadows lost in a dream. Down here, the rules of the surface don't apply. Pressure would flatten a submarine, yet life endures, alien, silent and watching. Every inch forward feels like trespassing into another world, and in this world, we are the outsiders. Down here, life is quiet, but never still. It has adapted, endured, and become something unrecognizable. Not monstrous, just different.